Good morning, YouTube, or good afternoon. I don't even know what it is right now, but this is your boy again, Chosen for Twos, out here trying to get a little bit more done. Today I finally get a chance today is a nice day outside. It's probably about 68, 70 degrees almost. And I get an opportunity to go ahead and get this front tire off and get it down to Mr. Inman so he can change that front tire out for me. I got another Metzeler 120, 60, 21 to go on the front of this bike. Go ahead and get there because I got some noduling in my tire. So I told you before, if you got the means to go ahead and do it, just drop it off and say, hey, have at it. But I like to try to save a little bit of money where I can, make these ends, because the more I save on one part, I just switch it around and put it on another part. But I've already taken the fender off. And so now I just got to take the brake calipers loose. And once I get those brake calipers out the way, I'm going to strap them up. It's very important that while you have these brake calipers off, that no one even breathes on those brakes and collapse those brakes. So I'm going to do this as fast as possible, get there, get it back, so I can get it back, put back together. And so now, just kind of looking around at some things that I had taken out already. And for some reason, as I always do, I put them somewhere where they weren't supposed to be. And so right now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and remove these brake calipers. All right, YouTube, and just like that, we're on our way. We're going to get this tire changed out so we can come back and get Jenny on the road, because I haven't been riding too much on the past couple of days because I've been busy. But man, it's time to go check her out. Maybe it's time to feel on that tire that I have, I'm taking off and getting rid of. It's a Metzeler. Not too fond of it, but the reality is when you start dealing with the sizes of tire that I have, I had to hold on, my tailgate's not secured and I'm getting all kinds of lights and whatnot up in this piece. So let's see if it'll shut those lights off, shut these lights off for me. Okay, let's see if that did it. Sometimes it's too much technology for folk like me. Too much technology. It tells me everything. And I'm glad it does, because I guess the older you get, you need some type technology to tell you what you're doing and what you're doing wrong. So I hate to leave it that way and get where I'm going and I don't have either tire in the back of the truck. But I'm just excited about this opportunity to get this tire put on. I've been wanting to get it done for a little while. It's not that my tire was it was getting down to the wear bar, but I could tell that it has a little nodulating, if you will, in it, because I could feel a little vibration at speeds that I usually didn't feel vibration. And when I run my hand across the tire, I could actually feel a difference. And so it was time to get rid of that, because I like to have peace of mind when I ride. Peace of mind and spirit when I free to just ride like I want to. So I'm getting ready to get this tire put on, because it's time to get Jenny back to rolling, baby, like she's supposed to. But I'm out here. I've been looking at the past couple of days at some of our fellow vloggers, and I'm still excited about what they're doing out there on different parts of our country. From Kelly B. Glide to Slappy Johnson, Donovan Green, Sensei, Tip. I saw Tiffany Renee put some new material up on the other day, and they're consistently too tall. They're consistently posting, and so I realized that through that continuous posting, that's where you begin to catch your ground. And so I'm trying to keep some content up here for you. I'm not trying to compete with those guys. I love what they're doing. I'm inspired by them, and I love to see what everybody's bringing to this movement and this culture. And so I just would that I had more people on this end. So out there, if you're checking out these videos and you're getting ready to take your ride somewhere, reach out, bro. Reach out, sis. We'll take that ride. So I can get because I want to chronicle more of our people over here on this southeastern part of North Carolina. We're out here more than just on bike weekend. All right. They made it down to Rodney's to try to get this tire done. He's in there now. He's just going to take the one wheel off, the one that I'm going to have powder coated. He's going to take that one off first, and after he takes that one off, then he's going to redo my 21 for me. This is one of those shops that are very seldom found anymore. I'm back off Wright Road in Taylor City, North Carolina, and it's just good folk, just good people. And just like that, we got her done. We took up all our mace, and we's on our way out, baby. We're gonna run out here and put this tire on and clean this tire up first, and put this tire on, wipe Jenny down a little bit, and then we're gonna test this tire out to make sure Jenny's handling like a pro. And so we're gonna make it happen. So we should be done here in probably the next hour or so. We'll have Jenny back on the road, cleaned up. I gotta go back. I'm gonna clean the brake dust off the rotors before I put those back on. I just put the brake pads on the front not long ago, so I won't worry too much about them today. And I'll slip some more on there probably early next year when I get a chance. Well, I'll make a chance. Okay, YouTube, let me catch you up, baby. Let me catch you up real fast. We went over to Mr. Rodney's place and we had this tire put on the rim. He got it balanced. Old school balancer, about a $600 balancer he's been using for the last 30 years, but it's an old school balancer, but outstanding as far as what it can do, what it does. And so right now what we're doing is we are putting the rotors back onto the tire and making sure that they are torqued down to the specified torques. It says from 21 to 29, so I'm torquing these at about 23 foot-pounds per pressure. Put a little Loctite on them to make sure they don't go anywhere, but we're going to put them at about 23 foot-pounds of pressure. They got to be tight enough. I don't want too tight. I don't want to take a chance of warping or bending either of my rotor, so I'm definitely not going to try to put it at 29. I'll stay on the lower register. But we're moving. We're getting there. Let me get that off there. Time to ride, baby. Time to just go out here and test out this new tire. I just put this tire on Jenny. Brand new. I just rode through the sand. Man, she got some meat on her now, baby. And so, I just got it put back together. Got the fender put back on. Tested out. My brakes are good. Everything's torqued back down to the proper specs. Let us not see people today the same way we did 5-10 years ago, or even a year ago. Let us assess in every avenue of our lives. Assess the people that we're around, because while they may not have been ready to have a friendship or kinship or relationship with you 5 years ago, God is a God who knows how to change the heart and minds of people. And so that's just a word for today. Be mindful that God does give second chances. This has been my time. I'm going to let y'all go right here. I don't think there's anything else I can say about that right there. You've been with me throughout the day and even got a word of encouragement at the end of the day. So that's about all I can do for a day. So what I want you to do now is like this video, comment on this video, share this video, and if you will, subscribe to this channel if you haven't subscribed already. We got to keep it moving, baby.